Good morning, guys. It is Anthony and it is Garage News time. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. Every Monday we drop a new Garage News where we're talking about new cars, trucks, parts, and a lot more, but it's all focused around automotive. So if you guys haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell if you want to be notified. Every time we drop a video, we've got a lot of great content coming. Let's talk about 2018. What's going on, guys? It's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. Hey, all right, guys, so what I was saying earlier, 'What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. Today we're going to do an install garage, and today we're going to do the 6300 series. This is your Monday news, so we're going to start. What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. 2018, we started the Wrenched Out Garage in the beginning of, or the end, I should say, of 2017, right around the start of the year. And then, of course, it's been running 1 year to date. I appreciate all of you guys that are watching, sharing, liking, all of that stuff. It means a lot to us here. And we've got a lot of really cool things planned for 2019. Talking about 2019, let's talk about those vinyls I've been working on. I've got almost all of them wrapped up and ready to go. So we will figure out some type of giveaway here in the near future. In addition to that, we've got a lot of other really cool things happening. We've got some new parts coming in for the Camaro. We've got some installs for the Ram Rebel. We're going to start working on the project bike and so much more. So today's news is obviously talking about the Wrenched Out Garage. In addition to all of that stuff, we've got Garage Talk, where it's just us talking about what's going on in the garage and everything else. So let me take a drink of coffee. That's the garage news, kind of in a nutshell. I know that it's not talking about future cars, trucks, not yet, but next week's episode will dive back into a regular deal. But because New Year's is upon us, I thought, why not talk a little bit about the Wrenched Out Garage, some of the things we're doing, and some of the things you guys you get to look forward to with new installs. We're up on our game with that. We're gonna give you guys a better level of installs. We're gonna give you more garage talk, more of the news, and so much more content as a whole, but we're also trying to up our game. So we appreciate all the feedback that you guys have given us, especially on the early stages, talking through what you do and you don't like about the content. So I really do appreciate the positive feedback, not any of the junk. Talking about feedback and comments and all of that stuff, we are going to do a comment video here pretty quick, where I'm going to just sit down and I'm going to read through some of the comments, and I'll just make a fun video out of it. At least I hope so. I haven't gone through all of the comments at once, and I probably won't, because there's a bunch of them, but we'll skim through some of them, talk through them, and we'll make a video out of it, because why not? We do have some new collaborations and sponsors that we're super proud to be able to bring out, partner up with. Nothing crazy, but C7 Carbon, I do have a new part coming in for the Camaro. You guys will see me do an install and talk about here in the near future. And we've got another sponsor I'm super proud of. and we'll talk about here in a garage talk or something else. Anyways, what do you guys want to see in 2019 from us here at the garage? I'm going to show you guys those Garage Life stickers, and then maybe I'll just give 1 or 2 out randomly next time. So make sure comment on this video, share it. Let's start getting these videos up. The garage news is doing well, but I would like to see, you know, let's share this stuff. Tell me what you guys want, what I can do different. Help us, help you. 2019 is going to be a huge year for us. I'm going to talk about some of the new changes for me personally and much more here in a garage talk coming soon. That wraps it up, guys. We had a great 2018. Thanks to everyone here on YouTube and everywhere else. I got to push myself creatively from the filming and audio standpoint. In addition to that, obviously, I got to do some cool stuff to the Camaro. I got to go out and ride the bike. I got to do some stuff with the trucks. You guys have seen, you've seen multiple trucks that we've owned already, but we have a lot of really cool stuff in store for you guys. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful new year. I'm gonna finish drinking my coffee, clean up the garage a little bit, and start working on some other projects. But if you guys are out riding or driving, do it safely. Have a wonderful new year, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bow.